Okay, so LG Electronics Incorporated. So LG is a South Korean multinational electronics company with its headquarters in Seoul, South Korea. It's part of the LG Group, employing 82,000 people worldwide, and LG consists of 4 business units: home entertainment, mobile communications, home appliance and air solution, and vehicle components. LG Electronics is the world's second largest television manufacturer. LG Electronics plays a large role in the global consumer electronics industry, and it's the second largest LCD manufacturer in the world. Since then, LG have continued to develop various electronics products, such as releasing the world's first 84-inch Ultra HD TV for retail use. So that's a little bit of background on LG for you. Some of the things that LG are renowned for, firstly, bringing the cost of OLED down to the masses. With that, they're building a new OLED factory in China this year, investing $8.8 billion. The WebOS award-winning smart platform with a pointer-style Magic Remote control, which also features voice control. The ability to play back Dolby Vision HDR from all sources, including DVD, and that's only on their high-end models. They are the only company to build Dolby Atmos into its top-end TVs, albeit that's a highly simulated version of Atmos. And for gamers, LG has some of the fastest input lag figures of any TV manufacturers, making them really a perfect choice for that particular medium. They have an excellent upscaling process.
This exclusive multi-step process analyzes and continually refines and optimizes the incoming video signal before it's displayed on the 4K screen. This is one of the reasons you can sit closer to an LG Ultra HD TV and still not see individual pixels or distracting scan lines in the picture. What you will see is a significant improvement in detail and overall clarity when you watch your high-definition cable or satellite TV, Blu-ray movies, or next-generation video games.
Finally, I think they're great value for money. These will generally be the cheapest large-screen LCDs and OLEDs in store, as for them, being a major LCD and OLED panel manufacturer, they're not charging a margin on the panels themselves. So models of focus, so currently retailing at £549. The 43 UK 6400 will be one of the cheapest 43-inch 4K HDRs in store for you guys at the moment. And it's definitely the cheapest 43-inch that offers both Freeview and FreeSat decoders built into it. They have IPS panels, which produces hardly any drop in brightness when you're sat at wide viewing angles. Full smart hub, and although it's not supplied with this particular set, it is compatible with their Magic Remote control if you purchase that separately. Now, although it's perhaps not the best picture quality in store, it will be a very popular entry-level value product. Jumping up from there, we're retailing at £1,049. We've got the 49-inch 49 SK8100. This would be quite a big step up from the 6400. This is a higher end model featuring nano cell screen technology, offering a wider color gamut and brighter images, very similar to Samsung's QLED range. Again, it features the IPS panel technology, and this also features their higher-end Alpha 7 image processor, which offers faster processing, smoother operation, and smoother motion control. Again, we've got your Freeview, FreeSat decoders, and a Magic Remote is supplied with this one. And this has got a local dimming system to really accurately control the LED light into each section of the screen. And I would suggest perhaps it's the local dimming section of that TV that really makes a big difference from the 6400 when we jump to that one. We then go to the top end, the OLED range. Now, although LG makes several OLED models, the image quality is actually exactly the same on all of them. The main difference being the design and the sound system which is employed within each individual model. Now, for the moment, I'm going to concentrate on one of the 2017 models, as this is by far the cheapest, best value OLED in John Lewis. Currently retailing for $1,299. The 55 V7B is, as I say, by far the cheapest in John Lewis, and it's incredible value for money at the moment. I mean, to have a 55-inch OLED sub £1,300 is virtually unheard of. So for $12.99, you get 55-inch OLED, capable of offering absolute black levels, a huge color gamut, over 1 billion different colors available through this model. It has all of the features of the 8100, as well as Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision HDR processing. You've got an image freeze on live TV and 500 times zoom function, and that's applicable from all of the input sources. But everything else aside, this is all about the TV image quality. And as with all OLEDs on the market, but especially for £1,300, this one is truly stunning. The type of customer who tends to purchase LG, I mean, I'd say, pretty much across the board, but anyone looking for really good value for money, OLED TVs at £1,300, perhaps a little bit more so with younger rather than older people. Difficult to say, but the younger customer seems to be more open to LG than perhaps someone who's had a Panasonic or Sony for 30 odd years. I suppose they did used to be a budget brand at one point, and it's been hard to shake that off, or it's taken a very long time, but they are now up there with the top 4 brands on the marketplace.